How to remove junk files from your Windows 11 PC. So this can be used to increase the speed of your computer and go and remove any unnecessary junk. So first thing you'll need to do is open up your Start menu, and then you can click on Settings. From the left hand side, select System, and then you'll need to scroll down this page and click on Storage. Now once you're on this page, scroll down to Storage Sense and make sure this is turned on like you see here. You can then press Clean Up Recommendations. Now here's all the unnecessary junk files we can remove from our computer. So if you press See Advanced Options, you can then go and select all of the folders that you want to remove. So typically it's safe to go in and check all of these boxes. The only folder you may want to uncheck is this one, which is Downloads, depending on if you have anything in your download folder that you want to keep. Now all this other stuff is just temporary data, so you can certainly go and delete this completely safely, and you can decide whether you also want to delete the downloads as well. Once all the boxes have been checked, you can press Remove Files and then just press Continue. Now the second step is to open up the Start menu again, search for Disk Cleanup and click on this tool. Now once again you'll need to go and check all of the boxes in this window. Once everything's selected, you'll see on the right hand side how much storage space is going to be saved. So you can press OK and then just press Delete Files, and that's how to remove any junk files from your Windows 11 PC.